Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy Original Glam bag, and I love this bag. I really do. I know that they've done the Plus and they've done the Ultimate, both of which I'm currently subscribed to. Plus is hitting it out of the park. Ultimate, not so much, but I still love the original Ipsy bag. Let's be honest, I think that this is still, in my opinion, the best bang for the buck. That's just my opinion. Take it for what it's worth. Everyone has an opinion. So let's go ahead and before we get into this, hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of unboxings. I do a lot of other fun makeup, beauty, lifestyle related videos. So hit the subscribe button so you can come back and see when I post new videos, and the little bell. And if you like the video while you're watching it, hit that like button and leave any comments in the comment section down below as you move along throughout the video. If you see things that you have or like, or just want to tell me anything, put that in the comment section down below. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the bag. First, I'm going to start off with an item that was outside of the bag. This is a Luxie brush. I love getting brushes in my bags. I love brushes in general. I just love getting brushes, but I especially like Luxie brushes. They are very, very well made. This one is the medium fan. I'm going to take that plastic off there in a second. Maybe. Yep, I am. Okay, maybe. It's like really tight. It does not want to come off. Okay, there we go. Okay. This is the medium fan brush. I like the handle. It's almost like opalescent. I don't normally use fan brushes, but I do like Luxie brushes, and I'm sure this would work just fine. I have a tendency to use a small brush. Let me show you my typical highlighter blush. I have a couple of highlighter brushes. These are the two that I probably use the most often. I have another Royal & Lang Nickel brush that is actually in my dirty brushes right now, but this one right here is my favorite highlighter blush of, I keep saying blush, highlighter brush of all time. I also like this one from Milani. This one I don't think they sell anymore, but the Milani one I believe they still do. I bought both of them from Walmart. And then the other one that's in my dirty brushes right now is one I got in a boxy. Not a boxy. A box. I don't know if it was BoxyCharm, but I got it in a box. So I usually use this type of highlighter brush, but I definitely like a fan every now and again, especially if I'm going to do something on my nose, which I don't do often. But again, I like getting brushes in my bags. All right, let's go ahead and get in the bag. I really like this bag. I like the design. I like the marble design to it, and I like the inside. It's like this light pink shade. I just like it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the card out. There is a card in here, and the theme is Clean Slate. And on the inside, it does have a list of all the products that are in the box, or in the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and read to you what it says about the Luxie Beauty 560 Medium Fan Flawless Brush. I didn't say blush that time. Good job, Jessica. If you wear powder highlighter, then you 100% need this brush in your life. The unique fanned out shape is perfect for dusting shimmer on the high points of your face with minimal fallout. And because it's totally vegan and cruelty free, you won't have any guilt making it a regular in your makeup routine. Tip: this brush is the perfect size for dusting highlighter onto your collarbones. Great for party looks. My collarbone doesn't often come out. I do wear V-necks every once in a while though. But anyway, let's go ahead and get back into the bag. I'm going to pull this out right here. So I put my makeup on about 5 hours ago or so. So my lipstick is for the most part worn off. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try while we're here. This is from Urban Juve Provisions Incorporated. This is the Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm with hemp oil. And I've been on a lip balm kick recently. I've been trying a bunch of different lip balms, mostly because they've been coming in my beauty boxes. But let's go ahead and put this on, and then I'm going to read to you from the card what it says. Let's see what this feels like. It does have a minty scent / flavor. Okay. I'm going to read you what it says. This is the Urban Juve Provisions Incorporated Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. Chapped lips, We got you. This plant-based balm hydrates, nourishes, and protects with a combo of beeswax, hemp, and coconut oils. Peppermint oil gives your lips a fresh, cool feeling with every swipe. And rest assured, it's good for you. Only natural and organic ingredients went into this formula. Tip, swipe this balm onto bare lips as needed or layer under your favorite lipstick for a hint. It says hit of moisture. Is that what it's supposed to say? Maybe a hint of moisture? I'm not sure. It says hit of moisture. So, sorry, I got a little bit of an itch. It feels pretty good going on. I will say that I found with a lot of lip balms though, that when you first put it on, it feels amazing. And then like 10 minutes later, you have like a ring around the inside of your lip, or your lips start to feel super dry. I don't know if you guys have experienced that. I have a lip balm right behind me. I don't want to call them out or anything, but I have a lip balm right behind me that I actually got in an Ipsy bag that when you first put it on, it feels amazing, like super amazing. Your lips feel really hydrated, and like 10 minutes later, your lips are like, please give me moisture. Anyway, back into the bag. Let's pull this out right here. I'm super excited to give this a try. This is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Let's see if it smells like blueberries. It has a safety seal. I'm not going to smell it. But that is what it looks like. Okay. So this is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Save time with this 3-in-1 cleanser. Packed with antioxidant-rich blueberry, this healthy and gentle formula can be used as a makeup remover, daily wash, or clarifying mask. The coolest part? It starts as a totally unique and super satisfying bouncy gel that builds into deep cleaning bubbles. Tip: to use this as a clarifying mask, apply a layer to clean dry skin and rinse after 5 minutes. All right, I will definitely use that. Absolutely. I like Glow Recipe. Their, what is it? The watermelon moisturizer. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, back into the bag. Let's see, there are 2 items left. Let's go for this one right here. So this is an eyeshadow from Real Her, and it's in the shade Victorious. I know that because it says it on the card down here. So let's get this open. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it's pretty. I like that. That is a shade that I would wear as like a one eyeshadow look. That is definitely a shade that I would like. I think it would look really nice with the sweater and, you know, look that I have on today as well. So that's really pretty. That is definitely something that I would wear, like I said, as a one shadow look. This is the Real Her eyeshadow in Victorious. Rose Gold is a universally flattering shade that's always on trend. This super pretty shimmery color will quickly glam up your beauty looks day or night. And the ultra smooth powdery texture blends out easily. Plus, each product features positive affirmations for all who use them. How sweet is that? Does this have something written on it? It does not. Tip: apply this shadow all over lids, onto the inner corner of your eyes, or onto the center of your lids. Okie dokie. Okay, then I'm going to pull out the last item that's in the bag. Like I said, I really like the bag. But that's just me. This is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it is the lipstick, mineral lipstick in the shade Envy. So, okay, that is what the tube looks like. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I'm going to put it on right over top of my lip balm that I put on. Okay, I'm going to swatch it first, and then I'll put it on my lips. Okay, so there's the shade. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Oh, it's very creamy. All right. That actually feels really nice. Super creamy. Let me blot just real quick. That feels really nice. Okay. The Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mineral Lipstick in Envy. We're always searching for a hydrating lip color come winter, and this nourishing formula is proof that makeup can look beautiful and be healthy for you too. It's a versatile rosy brown shade that's infused with vitamins C and E to get your lips pillowy soft and protect them from damage with every swipe. Tip: prep lips with an exfoliating scrub to get them smooth. Sugar and honey works wonders in a pinch. I think the shade is nice, and I think it felt really, really nice going on. So, all right. So my original Ipsy bag, I got the cute little bag. the Bella Pierre lipstick, the Real Her single eyeshadow, the lip balm, the cleanser, and the brush. So I'm pleased with it. I think that it's definitely worth the price of the bag. I would highly recommend it to anyone who's interested in it, to be honest with you. I really like this bag. I think if I decided to weed out like everything but like my top, I want to say 3. Yeah, I think I would have to keep at least 3. And those 3 would probably be Ipsy, the original BoxyCharm, and Allure. I think I could probably get rid of the rest of my boxes, but I think I would have to keep at least those 3. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you think this box is worth it or this bag is worth it? I personally think it is. I will definitely use that lipstick again. The lip balm is going to go right behind me and I will use it quite often. The cleanser is going to go probably in my travel bag and use this as my travel cleanser because it is a really good size. It's a ½ ounce. The eyeshadow is definitely something that I could wear as a single shade eyeshadow, so I do like that as well. And the brush. I love brushes. So anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. And the bell if you're interested in getting notifications. And if you have any comments on anything that I got today or just in general, I would really appreciate hearing from you as well in the comment section down below. Anyway, I do hope you enjoy this video and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!